fine. Today our topic is about count and recognize numbers 61 to 70. How many matchsticks are there? 60. 60. These are 60 matchsticks. In here are 6 bundle of 10 make 60. 6 bundle of 10 make 60. What is this? These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 1 matchstick. So this is 61. 61. S-I-X-T-Y 60. O-N-E 1. 61. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 2 matchstick. This is 62. 62. S-I-X-T-Y 60. T-W-O 2. 62. These are 3 bundles of 10 make 60 and 3 matchsticks. So this is 63. 63. S-I-X-T-Y 60. T-H-R-E-E 63. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 4 matchsticks. So this is 64. 64. S-I-X-T-Y 60. F-O-U-R 4. 64. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 5 matchsticks. So this is 65. 65. S-I-X-T-Y 60. F-I-V-E 5. 65. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 6 matchsticks. So this is 66. 66. S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-I-X 66. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 7 matchsticks. So this is 67. 67. S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-E-V-E-N 7. 67. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 8 matchsticks. So this is 68. 68. S-I-X-T-Y 60. E-I-G-H-T-A 68. These are 6 bundle of 10 make 60 and 9 matchsticks. So this is 69. 69. S-I-X-T-Y 60. N-I-N-E 9. 69. These are 7 bundle of 10 make 70. 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.